Hello, I'm Susan Middlebrook and I'm delighted you are taking this virtual tour of Tara Anglican School for Girls. I hope it gives you a sense of not only how beautiful our campus is, but just how important our community is and why our school is such a special place. We understand the importance of finding the right school for your daughter, and choosing a school is one of the greatest gifts you can give her. Our girls are nurtured in a Christian learning environment that celebrates creative ideas, active engagement and critical thinking. Tara offers your daughter personalised attention, academic programs tailored to how girls learn best, and extensive co-curricular opportunities. Until we can meet in person, I hope you enjoy your visit into our world of possibilities.
I really enjoy having the small classes here at Tara because they really help me get an in-depth understanding of exactly what's going on in class, which is so important, especially for me this year in Year 12. But aside from the academic aspects, something else that I really enjoy about Tara are all the opportunities that are available, and whether that's from sports, so hockey and football, alongside different music things such as strings, musicals, and debating and other academic opportunities.
Tara is a Christian learning community that instills values such as integrity, service for others, affirmation, and opportunity. These are transcending biblical principles that are widely used in our chapel services. They are enjoyed by all girls and focus on delivering biblical messages that help to instill Christian values and lifelong lessons to all Tara girls.
My main focus through my Christian faith leadership role was to create a greater sense of community. Through this, girls were able to do chapel takeovers in which they took control of their own chapel services and taught their peers messages that resonated with them. Also, our lunchtime group crew is a place where girls can come, eat food, have a laugh, but most importantly, hear from other girls the word of God and be in companionship with one another.
Sporting at Tara has a really unique experience as it allows girls to be more tolerant of each other and to be really independent. I see this through girls facing new challenges every single day and forming those friendships that boarding is really famous for. Girls become really independent by learning about different ideas and about different, opinions on the way that people do things, and that allows them to go out into the world and be more tolerant of people and be more independent about who they want to be.
I love how Tara has so many sporting opportunities.
I like the library at Tara and all the books we can read.
I love AFL at Tara.
I like how Tara is so welcoming and everybody's really kind and helpful.
I love Tara's art opportunities.
I love the friendly and supportive coaching staff.
I love how at Tara we have so many opportunities surrounding the performing arts.
I love how everyone's so supportive here.
I love the people here at Tara.
At Tara, there are so many opportunities to get involved. You have drama, sport, music, theatre, and we also have a lot of debating teams which all have great mentors and coaches and teachers who run them, and you really build a sense of community in those groups. And I think that's what's so great about Tara.